Hello, I'm Ankita Gohil from CCPR, and I take this opportunity to say about how and what I have learned from this course and how it is going to help me in my future. Probably this is one of my last vlog. So first of all, I would like to say thanks to my module leader Tony, who has always been so efficient and who has always been forward to come up and tell me where I can improve myself and how I can be more and more confident. I still remember when he came up and said me that if you want to be more confident, I think you need more of practice. But I have actually lost in one of my speech where I believe that I was not at all ready with my script, what I had to speak in front of the public. But yes, of course, the second semester helped me a lot, and I really kept Tony's words and practiced my script before I go for my presentation. And I think my pitch credential was quite good and impressive. I also found myself more confident this semester when I dealt in the presentation and interacted with more and more number of students in my class. This particular course has not only taught me about public relation in a general term, but has also given a lot of practical knowledge. The guest lecturers who visited us this semester were like PR lady from Chocolate. I think the experiences which they shared with us was really useful. They not only gave us, of the beautiful world of PR, but also showed us the real mirror how we have to really work in this PR life and what will be our real schedule in a daily routine. So I think this was a real good experience which I learned from this semester. Along with it, the crisis week I think was the best part in the semester, and it was most hectic and terrifying week, but was one of the best exciting thing which I did in this entire module. It was like sleepless nights and very busy days when we used to sit in the library and work on our plans for hours and hours. But I think it taught us how we have to work under pressure and most importantly the value of time, that everything has to be done in a correct time, in correct order. It's all about how you take the correct decision in the correct time and understand and analyze the real situation going around. So I think it was a very nice experience for me to be a part of this module where I learned so many things. Along with it, the last thing which I would like to bring forward is the press conference which we had in before few weeks. I think this press conference was just not an experience for the people who were who were speaking to the journalists, but I think even it brought the journalists' life into experience when we actually had to study what we are going to ask to the speakers. So I think all these things all together has helped a lot in building my different skills, which I've already mentioned in my PDP. But yes, of course, I would learn more in my coming world with more and more experiences in the real work field. And lastly, but not the least, I would like to thank the entire group with whom I have worked, and they have been always supportive. Wherever I felt stuck or lost, they were always there to boost me up and handle me. So, thank you, and maybe this is the last vlog. So, bye bye, and I really enjoyed this course. Thank you.